Hello, welcome to room 402 at Calypso of All-Star Music.
We are in All-Star Music. And here's a layout of our room. We are in a preferred room, which means we are closest to the food court, closest to the bus stops, and closest to the main pool. This is your pull-down trundle, which we'll show you later. Do have your beverage cooler, Cuisinart coffee with your Twinings and Joffreys. Got your ice bucket, recycle and trash. Got your little dresser here with your drawers and that. And it's a bed, big bed. And lots of outlets on both sides. Got outlets there, outlets there. Welcome to us. I love the hooks to hang things on. Got your sliding door here. You do have more outlets here on this side.
And on this side too.
So on both sides of the bed. Do love our Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. It almost looks like the Perfect Picnic font. Got a hanger here. It's a place to put your stuff. Iron and ironing board. Hair dryer. Love this. Body lotion and hand soap. Disney bath soaps. Got your makeup mirror. Big lighted mirror here with one sink. That is the thing with the value resorts is you're going to get one sink. And then we're going to come over here. And there's two of us in the room, so she left 2 towels, 2 washcloths, and some more bath towels there. Standard commode, shower tub combo. And your body products here. I like the new ones though, where it's upside down and you just squeeze and it comes out the bottom rather than sitting here and pumping 83,000 times. Big shower head. Do like the tiles. So conserved water. Yeah, typical All-Star. We're here for one night because tonight we're going to Artist Point.
Artist Point to have a character dinner
with
the villains.
Well, your villain, yes, and Grumpy. Yep.
2 of my favorites.
So yeah, it's our first time doing that one over at Wilderness Lodge. So we decided not to do a park. We're going to have a nice dinner tonight. So we're looking forward to that. But for now, it is noon. We are in our room. It's 110 degrees and we're going out there to the pool. And I show you, we're in Calypso. So this is our first time in All-Star Music in a long, long time. So there's the main check-in area in the food court. Got where you can wash your laundry. So yeah, right here, we are right here by all the action. So we're excited. We were gonna go to Blizzard Beach because you do get Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon on check-in day, but it was so hot, we were like, we can't do it.
Where do we usually stay at?
We usually stay at Pop Century because it's on the gondolas if we're going to the park, but we're not going to the park, so it doesn't matter. I kind of think of All-Star as a shape of a T. So you've got Calypso on your right and your left. Keep going forward, and you've got Jazz on your right and your left. And all of the All-Star buildings are in the shapes of T's.